Varsha and he's Maniteja. We are architects, and here we are here to promote the IGBC Green certification for schools. And what are the benefits of having IGBC certification for schools? Also, it's not just for schools; it's for residential, commercial, and other projects as well. So, to get an IGBC certification, we need to cut down the costs, right? So, in benefit of having IGBC, following the criteria of IGBC certification is that we have to, so that it optimizes energy. Okay, the energy is consumed less and mechanical systems are used less, so that it will cut down the cost, and in few years you'll have a net zero building. Okay, and then it helps you all to save nature. As much as we are talking about the save nature, I feel that it's the responsibility of all architects as well to contribute to minimize the pollution, minimize the carbon emissions into the nature. My father generation or their father's generation, we had schools which had a wide grounds, but now the schools are being commercialized, where kids are not being exposed to all round development, be it extracurricular activities or anything else. So when do you go for extracurricular act if you have space? And why are people not maintaining space? Is that maintenance problems? They're not able to maintain. So all of these will be taken care if you follow the green certification rules. You will be able to maintain your greenery around. You will be able to maintain it in such a lower cost. Okay, you don't have to worry about the cost. It will get cut down. So that ways we are trying to implement all the green building codes into our buildings. So HPS is one of the school which has a green certification in Hyderabad, also Aga Khan Academy. It's a very nice expo where you get to meet officials, we get to meet certain experts who will guide through. I mean, like, it's a very, how many projects of Hyderabad, it's very fascinated to know about it. Also, India ranks second amongst the world that you've seen green building. So yeah, we are in the race and we will top.
Schools is the best option to start the green buildings. Like if the schools are promoting the green buildings, and the schools and initially the children get to know about the green buildings, and the what is greenery and what is the importance of greenery, and what are the sustainable materials and sustainable architecture. So that this could be first step to an change.